Hello friends, today we'll discuss about KMP algorithm. What is KMP algorithm? KMP is the Knut-Morris plot algorithm. This is a searching pattern algorithm. This is a searching pattern algorithm. So if you see the normal or native way, the implementation is very easy. You can see this code, the function brute force code. If you see, you will be take one by one character and check like every string. You can go by one character and check if this is found, then that will be the native way you can find the pattern. The native way implementation is straightforward, and for every position in the text, consider its starting position of the pattern and see if you get a match. So time complexity of the native algorithm is order of n cross n minus m plus 1. The native pattern is searching algorithm doesn't work well in cases where we see many matching characters followed by a mismatching characters. See, if you see this pattern, there are 4 A and B, and there is in a pattern also there are so many A and 1 B. Similarly, in the second text there are so many matching characters and so many mismatching characters also are there. So in this case, the native way implementation is very bad, that approach is very bad. So we will go through KMP algorithm. In pattern searching, we are having two inputs. One is big string and another is one pattern with string which need to search. In KMP, while traversing, if any substring of pattern matched will be save same data and use later. The basic idea behind KMP's algorithm is whenever we detect a mismatch after some matches, we already know some of the characters in the text. Since they are matched the pattern characters prior to the mismatch, we take advantage of this information to avoid matching the characters that we know will anyway match. In KMP, we need to calculate the LPS array for every pattern. Let's learn how to calculate. Suppose we have a pattern like A, B, A, C, A, B, A. And the LPS array, the zero index will be always 0. Then we'll take in the pattern initially the first index j and the next to j the second index I. If the pattern of j and I equal, then LPS of I equal to LPS of I minus 1 plus plus. So here j is jth index also A is there and ith index also A is there, so both are equal. So LPS of I equal to means LPS of 1 equal to the previous index means 0 plus 1, so that will be 1. Now we'll make j plus plus and I plus plus. Once the match is happened, then we will do j plus plus and I plus plus. Now pattern of j is not equal to pattern of I, so j equal to the LPS of j minus and the previous index of LPS, the previous index of LSP equal to 0, so that will need to go to the pattern. So now the pattern of the j now we can go to 0 index. Now we'll check, is it equal? No, and it's already j equal to 0, so we'll make I plus plus. Okay, now pattern of j equal to pattern of I. So what we'll do now, LSP, in LSP, the whatever the previous index value plus 1. So now the previous index LSP is 0 LSP is 0, so then LSP of I equal to 1, then j plus plus and I plus plus again equal, so again it will be the previous index plus 1, so 2. Now again C not equal to B, the pattern of j is not equal to pattern of I. So what we will do, the previous index of LSP, that is 0 of pattern equal to A. So now will be move pattern j will move to 0th index. Now pattern of j is not equal to pattern of I, and j is already in 0th position, so will be I plus plus. Now A equal, now pattern of j is equal to pattern of I, so what we'll do, will LSP the previous index plus plus. So what is the previous index value of LSP? That is now 0, plus plus means 1, and j plus plus I plus plus again equal. So previous index of LSP is already 1, so then will be make 2, then again equal, the previous index of LSP already 2, so will make 3. Now again equal, so previous index of LSP is 3, so plus plus will be 4. Now again equal, so previous index of LSP equal to 4 plus plus is 5. Now if again if you make plus plus, I will be greater than the length of pattern, so that will stop. So here will stop. Now we got the LSP array. Now second case, similarly suppose you can calculate LSP for below pattern like AB, C, A, B, A, B, the pattern, this is the pattern, and you will find the LSP array as below: 0 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 4. So try to calculate, and if you have any doubt, put any comment below. Once the LSP or LPS computation is done, then using LPS and pattern string you can start comparing with any big string. So using the above pattern search in below string, suppose this is the pattern and this is the below is table array is the main string, then you can to compare, already we are having LSP array and pattern and main string. So to compare this, we need these rules. If pattern is matching with the main string, keep increasing both index. If not matching, then check the previous index value of LSP. That value of pattern if matching string, continue rule 1. If otherwise, continue rule 2. If index pattern already at 0 index, then keep increasing the string index. Try to follow above rule and see the next slide solution. If still you have any doubt, then write a comment. This is the what we discussed in the rule, like first I equal to 0, if I less than, while I less than n, and if pattern of j equal to test of I, then I plus plus and j plus plus. If j equal to m, if you already reached at the j at pattern length, then print the solution, that is j and j equal to LPS equal to j minus 1. If mismatch is happening and I less than n and pattern of j not equal to text of I, if mismatch is happening, then what will do, the previous index, how to calculate, j equal to LPS of j minus 1, otherwise just increase the I. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.